There is a multi-million pound niche that you can jump on for January on Etsy that is going to make millions. Okay, so it's going into calendars. Everyone gets a new calendar in January. It's the perfect gift for the end of Christmas. Everyone gets their house a new calendar, you know, everyone needs one. Let's jump on Etsy. Let's see what the competition's doing. Let's see how you can fit in and get a piece of that pie. So we're on Etsy. Look what I've typed in, calendar 2023. Such a basic search result that's going to be nailed down into so many different subcategories. It is untrue, and you can get such a good cut of the pie through January, through February, and you know, even from today. So let's see what currently people are doing. Let's see how you can improve upon what they're doing and how you can fit in and get ranked. So, you know, here are some ads at the top. Let's give them a check and to see how they are doing. So, you know, we've got a fairly small store here, and look how basic this is, right? Look how basic, you know, look how basic this title is. Look how terrible this description is really. They farmed up some reviews. They've got a few sales. You know, they are going to do well. Let's take a look at another one. You know, Formula One. This is more niched down. This is what I'm going to teach you how to do. You know, so it's niche down. It's got a set audience. Everyone who likes F1 will be wanting this. It makes the perfect gift. It makes the perfect accessory. You know, an F1 lover is going to really appreciate this. And I mean, look, it's getting a lot of traction. The store does very well. They know what they're doing. It's, again, a basic product, right? We come down here. The store's smashing it. The store's smashing it. You know, the title. Look how basic. Look how basic. This description, you know, copy and paste. Spam really is the best way I'll give that, describe that. A bit of a delivery fee. You know, you can come in here and you can stomp all over these. So let's just look up some of these high ranking ones. So this one's tagged popular now. It's coming as my #1 search result. It's on a store that's just killing it, you know, but look how basic their title is. They have 3 images, right? And look how basic the product is. But do you want to know how they're doing this? They have a niche. They're not general. They're not throwing spaghetti at a wall and seeing what sticks. They are niching down. This is so Etsy can define their audience. You know, Etsy's algorithm now knows who to show these products to. Because say you were to type this exact same search result, you'd get completely different results. Okay? That's because Etsy knows what you like, what you want to see. You know, it knows your customer persona, it knows your audience persona. So having that niche down audience tells Etsy who you want to get in front of. So stop with these general stores and find your audience, find a niche, okay? And then you can really come in and just stomp all over them. You know, so say we were to go into a bit of a niched down one. Football, look, you know, all of these stores are doing fairly well, right? You know, they're not doing phenomenal, but coming the start of 2023, everyone's going to be needing a new calendar. I'm going to be needing a new physical calendar, you know. Disney, niche down again. Look, you know, is this a nice personalized one? But just take a little look. We've got some better titles here, okay? But you see, it is so easy. Here's a product that's going to do so well in 2023 that it's just untrue. So now let me show you the data. Here we are. We are in the middle of the explosion, right? The best time to be on this was a couple of weeks ago. The other best time is today, right? You can make tens of thousands of pounds getting these calendars out. You know, look at calendar, look, boom. You know, this is where you want to be, right? You need to assess the time of year. You need to assess what people buy at that time of year, and you need to get it in front of your audience. And when you do that, you are going to make a ton of money. So thanks guys. Let me know what else you want to see with regards to Etsy, and I will do my best to get it done. Make sure you subscribe, drop the video a like, and just comment what you want to see. I appreciate you guys. I hope you have a great Christmas.